this is the back. So guys, in order to remove this casing, what you have to do is just lift it from the top like this. It's a little hard to do, but you will have to apply some force, and then you have to lift it from the back like this, and then this casing will come out like this, and then now you can take out the GoPro from the casing out like this. So guys, to put the GoPro back in this case in which it was before, what you have to do is just put it back like this. You have to insert it like this, and then you need to close this lid, and then you have to put it down like this, and then you have to put it, and you have to put some force like this, and then it closes like this. So now it's back in the housing in which it came.